Our Wi-Fi access points are the perfect solution for Ethernet installation in Zone 1 and 2 areas. The Zone 1 access point allows you to choose from a full range of antennas and lets you connect and disconnect in any explosive atmosphere while the access point is in operation. The XD Enclosure system enables the protected operation of standard Wi-Fi devices and supports easy replacement of the access point for upgrades or repairs. Our media converter extends the communication distance by transforming electrical into optical protected signals. A separate connection chamber makes installation significantly easier. The connection chamber can be opened and closed by just applying 4 screws and lets you connect Ethernet quickly and Cat7 compliant. For Wi-Fi installations in Zone 2 areas, our new lightweight enclosure system is a perfect and cost-effective solution, suitable even for Wi-Fi access points with internal antennas. For more information, please visit our website at r-stahl.com.